Hey guys, today we're going to hike this trail that has a waterfall and a couple of abandoned buildings, so it's going to be cool, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're here. We're walking on a trail and there's a waterfall down there and there's a cool abandoned building on the side. It's really random, it's really isolated as well. I found this like a couple years ago when I was in college in Hudson Valley, so I'll go explore it and bring you guys along for the ride. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you can see it, but see there's a building right there. And it's really enclosed in the forest right there. I found this a couple years ago and it's super cool. There's a building right there, and then down there you can probably hear it. There's a massive waterfall. I'll bring you guys over there. So here's the building, guys. It's pretty cool. It's really overgrown in this forest right here. But a couple of random things with a random longboard right there. It's pretty cool. The waterfall's right there. This place is crazy, dude. Really, I've been in there. I'm not gonna walk in there right now because the floor is sketchy. But it's pretty crazy. Look at that. As you guys can see, the building is right there. There's an angle right there. It's really overgrown in these trees, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, there's the waterfall. I'm gonna try to get down there and get a better shot of it, but yeah, you gotta walk all the way down there. And you're down there somehow. I don't know if it's how to do it. Yeah. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Just a little short adventure today. See the waterfall and abandoned building trail. It's pretty cool. So I'll see you next time. Peace out.